Hi, my name is Viola Brown. Welcome to my channel, aka Nailcoverlover. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a birthday collab for Diana. It's nails by Diana, and I have painted these nails 35 and 36 of the Beetles gel polish. And I've got some Roselawn Shiny Gel Platinum, and it is a blue. And then I got this blue turquoise, bluish green turquoise gem. And then I've got some hollow, what is it called? Oh my God, every time I get on here, I have a brain freeze. It is hollow foil. And I got a piece of this pretty blue foil that's hollow also. And the first thing I'm going to do on this middle nail here is I'm going to put on some Macart nail foil glue. And you just want to put a thin layer, but make sure you get all the spots that you want covered. And I'm going to put that real pretty blue foil on there. Okay, I'm gonna let this cure, and while that's curing, I'm gonna put some on here too, which will be my hollows, the silver hollow. But on the pinky, I'm gonna do something different. Now I'm going to wipe off most of my stuff on here, and I want to put a dab here, dab here, dab here, and a dab here. And what I'm going to do with this is I am going to put this hollow foil on here, but I'm going to cure this on there. So let's get that in there, and I want to see how it does with that. And I'm thinking about putting some of these stones on there. I'm not sure yet. If I do, I will. I got these from Wish. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. Let's put this one in and get it cured too. And I'll be right back. The things that Diana likes is blue, hollow, and lions. Well, I was going to draw a lion, but I decided not to. So I'm just going to give her a bunch of real pretty blue stuff. So get this out of the lamp, and we'll be ready to get this one out. And we're going to put this foil on here. And you want to place your foil where you want your design to be. And let's see. I think I want it to go right about there. Now you can stretch it a little bit. Oh no. Don't do that. Don't pull it. And you can rub it. Let's see if I can find my tool here. A silicone tool. I'm going to rub this. The stand, so I'm going to hold it. Let's try my finger down here. And it looks like it's working pretty decent. Alright, now let's try to pull this off. Voila! Isn't that just beautiful? Happy birthday, Diana. I hope you love this set that I'm doing for you. And let's get this out. I want to see how this turned out. And it didn't work. I think I had it upside down. Oh well, let's see if it'll work by me rubbing this on here anyway. That's what happens when you're not paying attention. understand. Really? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, that turned out really, really, really good. I like that. Okay, now let's get this one out. And this one is the thumb. I got that one going that way. So we're going to do this one going straight up and down. Oh, these are so beautiful together. This blue and this hollow is gorgeous. I hope I didn't put, yeah, I put it on the right way this time. Happy birthday, Diana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I'm not going to sing the whole birthday song because you don't want to hear me singing. Alrighty. I think this is about ready to come off, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. I'm loving this. They both turned out great. Okay, now on this pinky one here, I am wanting to put some of this blue glitter on some of these. I'm gonna put a pretty good fair bit. Let me get me some alcohol here first. I'm cleaning my brush off if I need to. Now let's get some of this gorgeous, gorgeous blue glitter here. I don't want a whole lot. I'm just wanting to put it in little places here. This glitter, this is gorgeous. There goes the tip again. Seriously. This tip situated, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Finally got this tip situated. Okay, let's put that one there. Now let's get some more of this blue glitter. I'm going to put a little bit in the middle here. And a little bit in the middle here. Put a few lines of this glitter in this one. Not a whole lot, but a little bit of glitter. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, we'll put these in and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to take these stickers here and I'm going to put a D in the middle of this for Diana. Find my tweezers here. There we go. And I'm gonna try and get a P. Princess Diana. Nah, I want to go put a P on there. I think it's just going to be too busy on that nail. And let's give these guys some top coat. Oh, that's right. I wanted to put the jewel one here. And I'm going to use my azure. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Okay, look at it find mine easier. So we'll just use my Yogi Builder Gel to adhere this stone. Okay, get a little bit of this, and then we want to get our, where is it? Our Princess Snail's No White Top Coat. Right up here. I think I might have got a little bit too much, y'all. Okay, now let's get this jewel and set it on there. Oh, wait a minute, I want to put some top coat on it. I'm using Princess by Diana, No White Top Coat. Some top coat over that, smooth that out a little. Alrighty. I know this is not blue, but it's turquoise blue, so I think it's gonna work great. If I could pick it up. Some. Okay, got that set. Let's get that cured. Put some top coat on the rest of these. Be right back with the finished result. And here is the end result. I hope you like them, Diana. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. And if you have been here with me, I so greatly appreciate every one of you guys. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button down there. Hit the like button, because if you hit the like button, that helps me out. It helps my channel to be played and showed to other people, so I would greatly appreciate that. And yeah, this is a Glitter Girlz collaboration for Princess Nails by Diana, and you guys need to go check out the rest of the ladies. There should be a playlist in the description box, and if it's not in the description box, it will be in the comment section pinned. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye bye.